So the front wheels stopped turning on this lawnmower. It's only a couple of years old. Let's take a look. It's a Craftsman Briggs and Stratton Platinum 7.25 OHV. Well, I don't trust that. You should change your oil. Don't listen to that, folks. This model, what we have to do is take off this front cover. Go ahead and prop this up. If you ever have to get under your mower, this is the way to lift it up. You always want to lift it from the front, not side to side. Well, you know, folks, I see the problem right there. See how that spring has come out? Let's take it apart, see what's going on here. So I just noticed on this model, it looks like this cover comes off. So I'm going to figure out how to get this off so I don't have to take this whole front cover off yet. Hopefully I can see what's going on. So this front corner has a tab. We have a tab here, one on the other side. I think we have one in back. That's being a pain in the butt. Yeah, so there's one in the back corner here too. Popped it up, you can see it there. And there's one on the other side. It's so easy to break these plastic clip-in covers like this. Okay, there we go. Didn't break anything. You can see the problem right here. Yeah, this is nice. It just has this cover. Some of the other models, you have to take this whole top off. And if you do have to do that, the bolts are located underneath here. Got one there and there. I think there's one there, yep. And then over on the other side you have the same. So that's how you would take that whole top cover off. So basically you're just going to want to put this little dinger back in the hole here. It pushes up, and if I put down my camera I'll be able to get it back in place. Yep, just make sure it gets down in there good. See how it came out? And that's what it's supposed to look like. And now the transmission has spring tension again. Now we have that spring back in place. That's what we want. So these wires here are supposed to hold the belt on the pulley, and they just pull out if you need to remove those. But you should be able to stretch the belt on because they move. You can rotate the blade to get things to turn. Alright, so now the belt's back on. I want to make sure all these keepers are still in place. None of them are broke. We're good. Alright, now I just want to make sure that this belt is still on the pulley that's on the engine, or by the blade. So I think we're good up here. This is what happens when I pull the lever up here. Pulls that belt tight. Put this back into place. You probably just set it on and smack it into place. Yeah, that goes into the hole there. This one goes into the hole there. Alright, now I'm trying to get a peek at that pulley on the engine to see if the belt is still on it. Some of these models, it can be hard to see up in here. So you can see the belt. You can see the belt there. It looks like it's on the pulley. I think what I'll do is I'll just put my finger up in there and make sure that the belt is in the pulley groove. Yep, I can feel the belt and it's in the pulley, so we're good. There we go, we're fixed. You know, sometimes just one wheel will stop turning. If that's the case, you'll want to look at that particular wheel. I approached it this way because both of the wheels stopped turning. So let's test it out. Alright, let's see what we have here.